सबसे पहले, I would want you to tell us, how does it feel to be here? And why I'm asking you this question, because 4 साल पहले, RRR was launched here, right here, at this venue, and you are back, हम सब के साथ ये लेकर. This is game changer, and it's definitely gonna change the game for the Indian cinema, sir.
Namaste to all my media friends. Namaste. And Nitin, whenever I see you, I get jitters. My knees wobble. I feel the stress because we have to outlive the previous film's targets. So please don't do that with me. Huh? But yeah, it feels amazing. And thank you. Thank you, Mumbai. Thank you, media, for having us and for coming here all the way and taking all this effort to be here. Thank you, sir.
वापस से ग्लोबल स्टार से एक सवाल है मेरा यहाँ पे. Please talk to us about this extraordinary filmmaker, Shankar sir, because यहाँ पे people are saying Shankar sir and Ramcharan दोनों साथ में आ रहे हैं, बहुत बवाल होने वाला है. What do you have to say on that?
See, Shankar sir made a remake of Three Idiots in South. It's called Nanban. Yeah. So when they released in Telugu, I was the chief guest for that. I was sitting it's a small story I just want to share. I was sitting next to Shankar sir. And मैंने ये सोच रहा था कि अरे कैसे बोलूँ शंकर सर, एक मेरे साथ नहीं, किसी के साथ भी इट्स ओके, बट जस्ट मेक ए तेलुगु फिल्म यार. सिर्फ तमिल फिल्म बनाते हो एंड मेरे डैड के साथ बनाओ या एनी ऑफ माई कंटेम्प्रेरी हीरोज. बट वो बोलने के लिए आई डेंट हैव द गट्स ऑल्सो. एंड आफ्टर कपल ऑफ ईयर्स देन आई गेट अ कॉल फ्रॉम मिस्टर राज गारू saying, Shankar sir, I was doing last 2 schedules of RRR I was working. Then Raju sir comes to Ramoji Film City where I was working. He says, Ram, so Shankar wants to work. I said, huh? I said, yeah, baad mein bolenge. He said, hello. क्या बाद में बोलेंगे? ये शंकर सर है. He said, आपके पास क्या है? शंकर सर आएगा. Then I got to know it is really Shankar sir. I was like, shit, Raju sir, call right now. So it is such a dream come true for me. We all have been watching his movies growing up. Recently Mr. Rajmouli sir also said he's the epitome of commercial films, the larger than life. He has defined what is the global film and global cinema and the pan-India cinema. He was the first pan-India director we had. Hats off to him, and I'm so blessed. And yeah, I don't know how my dad will feel, but yeah, I'm very blessed. He should have done it with dad. So I'm very fortunate, and it's a blessing to work in just 5 years to work with a director like Mr. Rajmouli Garu, and then Shankar. As an actor, it is so enriching, and it's so much to learn from both of them.
There's there's no comparison, of course, but both of them are like masters of their craft. But S.S. Rajamouli sir and S. Shankar sir. So how do you see this thing ki, you were directed by Rajamouli sir and now Shankar sir? Kya difference hai?
Oh, thank God, difference. You didn't compare them.
Not at all, sir. Not at all.
So both of them are taskmasters. Both of them expect a lot from each and every person. And especially having such beautiful actors. He is one of the craziest person and the craziest actors I've met. He is. And he just said he saw the song and he saw Kiara and me. मैंने तो producer का ये देखा था उसमें. So I think both Mr. Rajmouli sir and me, Mr. Shankar sir, both are taskmasters. They give you every opportunity perform करने के लिए and to be your best. Yeah. It is very rare to work with such talent, yeah. And they keep pushing you always. And there's not one day where थोड़ा relax होने के लिए time मिलता है. नहीं. Every day, even if it's a single shot. I remember one day I was sitting with Shankar sir saying, "Hi Ram, coffee break." Yes sir. Abhi first day tha. Then he was having a coffee, I was having a coffee, and suddenly he started looking, not at me, at my hair. And he called assistant director, he said, "Idhar aao, wo iPad leke aao." And he's looking at the iPad and this thing. I said, then मेरे को मालूम पड़ गया, he's not talking to me, वो character के साथ बात कर रहा है, राम नंदा. I said, "Idhar aao." Then he started touching me. It is very intimidating when somebody touches you like this. I said, and I can't say. He said, कुछ बदला क्या? क्योंकि iPad में जो आपको पिक्चर ने भेजा था वो कैरावान में exactly नहीं था. I said, I swear to God, it is only 5% difference from what he sent. But he is so particular and he is so master at his craft. Even that 5%, it doesn't matter. And even if you're Mr. Rajnikant ji or Kamal Haasan ji, he worked with, or myself, doesn't matter. He's so particular. So that's what I enjoyed working with him. And yeah, that's something. Yeah.
Right. Quickly, you know, if you have to talk about the response that you got in Dallas, because आप वहाँ गए थे, let me tell you, the entire Indian industry, हर किसी की नजरें थी वहाँ पे किस तरह का response मिलेगा, कितना प्यार मिलेगा, and we saw the event, it was mind-blowing. Talk to us about that, sir.
I think like Dilraju sir said already, I think global platform is very important for all of us, like for Indian film. And especially in Dallas, I think it's such an overwhelming response. हमने सोचा भी नहीं था, and it truly tells us how the global audience are the true cinema lovers, and most of our revenue is coming from there, and they truly love cinema for cinema it is, and it's just not for because I am there or Shankar sir there. They love a good film, and to have that response, I'm very blessed, and just like us and our audience as well.
Right. We are so happy to see you here. 4 साल हो गए sir. Why so much time, sir? 4 साल का gap कौन लेता है sir? Why would you do that?
Hi Nitin, but Nitin.
Yes.
Why didn't you ask Shankar sir? I was Namaste everybody. Namaste. I love you guys. For the first time, I'm feeling very alone right now. Can we also invite Anil Thadani?
Of course, sir, of course.
Yeah.
AA Film se we have Mr. Anil Thadani, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for him, please.
Yeah. How come you forgot him?
No. Sir, मुझे डांट पड़ती है वहाँ से पहले बुलाने पे. Okay, all yours, sir.
So, first time I'm feeling very alone, but also I'm feeling so much welcome. Thanks to all of them here. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, sirs. Thank you. So, मालूम नहीं यार, मेरे को भी जल्दी करना है movies. मालूम नहीं इतना देर क्यों होता है.
Right. इसलिए होता है क्योंकि जब वो स्क्रीन पे आता है ना सर, सबकी आंखें खुली की खुली रह जाती हैं, सब लोग डूब जाते हैं उसमें.
नितिन आप हैदराबाद आ जाओ या मेरे साथ रह जाओ. इतना अच्छा बात करते हो, मेरा बीवी भी बहुत इम्प्रेस हो जाते हैं. Love you, Nitin. Thank you, darling.
Thank you so much. Coming to our favorite, Mr. Thadani. Hi, sir. Welcome. So good to see you. So what do you have to say about this collaboration here with Dil Raju Production, Z Studios? Of course, you are distributing the film यहाँ पे. हर किसी को मैंने कहा ना AA Films लग जाता है, so बहुत राहत मिलती है कि कुछ तो कमाल होने वाला है. 10th January संक्रांति celebrate कर रहे हैं Game Changer के संग. What do you have to say, sir?
Hello everyone. I'm really thankful for Dilraju sir for letting me a part of this very special 50th film of his. He's been the backbone of this film, such a massive film. Shankar sir I've dealt with before. He's always made larger than life films. Hopefully this turns out to be as successful as his previous films that I've been connected with. Surya, he's got a massive fan following, and I've seen his skills, and he's just amazing. As for Charan, I think being such a massive star, I think he's a much better human being, a much bigger person, and it's always wonderful dealing with him. I've dealt with him earlier, and it's always been a pleasure. I just hope that this film turns out to be a very glorious one for our best ever producer.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Anil Thadani साहब, ladies and gentlemen. Of course. वो बोल रहे थे ना बीच में क्या चल रहा था, वो एक है ना अपना जय क्या था? ये बढ़िया वाले लेके आए हो यार, तुम हमसे भी अच्छे लेके आए हो यहाँ पे. Lovely.